In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the windshield washer reservoir cap on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located in the driver's side compartment of the engine bay. Let's get started. We're going to pop the old cap off. Ours is missing the top part. You'll just go around that ring and pop it off. Grab the new cap. Push it straight down. Be sure that it's keyed properly. There's one little poke out that'll match up to the reservoir. Push it straight down, close the cap, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.